The Supreme Court has allowed the Taj Trapezium Zone Authority to process nearly 400 pending applications for setting up non polluting micro, small, and medium enterprises in the ecologically sensitive area around the Taj Mahal. However, the court made it clear that every proposal must be examined by experts from the Central Empowered Committee and the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. It said that if either expert raises an objection, the application cannot be approved without the Supreme Court's permission. A bench headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant, along with Justices Joymala Bagchai and P. Mohana, said pending studies, including the vision document for the Taj Trapezium Zone, the cumulative impact assessment, and the NEERI's final report on non polluting industries, should not delay the processing of existing applications. The center had informed the court that applications for non polluting units, including flour mills, could be considered. The court also directed that every meeting to examine these applications must include one expert each from the CEC and NEERI, and no meeting should be held without both experts present.